Hi everybody! Today I finished the living room. Will you join me? I am going to make a fruit bowl for on the table. The dish is a cap of a soda bottle. The fruit I make from polymer clay. You can buy that in arts and crafts stores or in our own mouse mansion store. I have mixed some red and yellow clay, which I mold till it's softer. I make small balls in my hand and poke a little hole in the middle. Now you have little peaches. If you make them a bit larger, they are just like apples. Now I make some bananas with yellow clay. This is very simple. First shape little balls and then roll them into the shape of a banana. And at last I'm making an orange. Roll a little ball and poke small holes in it with a skewer. Then you're done. The fruit bowl I place on the table. And this pillow and blanket I made in the previous video. Some nice books and boxes on the shelves. And finally I stick 3 little hooks under this shelf. Now the room is finished. Are you building one too? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!